All right, here is a short Jamboard tutorial if you are working from a computer or a Chromebook today. If you are working on a cell phone or another mobile device, you're going to want to watch the other tutorial. Okay, so here is my storyboard, and I'm going to do a quick overview of the tools we have here. So this one right here is our pen, if you want to just draw in your storyboard. And here are all your different colors. You have different kinds of pens here as well. So you can pick your color and then write or draw anywhere on your storyboard. If you want to undo something, you can either press this arrow in the top left to undo, or you can use the second button, which is an eraser. Either one will work great. Okay, underneath that you have the select button. This is for if you want your normal cursor to come up to just click around and be able to click on things around your screen. Okay, this fourth one is a sticky note option. You can click on it if you want to make a note to yourself. You probably won't use it much on this particular activity, but it might be useful in the future. And just click save. And you have a post-it note there. And you can resize that as well. Or you can just press delete and make it go away. The next one is if you want to add an image. So let's say maybe you drew it on paper and you wanted to upload an image from your from something that you drew and took a picture of, you would use this button. The next one is shapes. If you click on the arrow on the side, you can choose whatever shape you want and add it into your picture. Maybe you want to use an arrow to show which one to go to next. Okay, and then you have a text box. If you'd like to type, you can start that wherever you'd like and type in your text box. When you click away and you click back, you can resize that text or edit it as well, or delete. You won't need this bottom one here, but this is a laser pointer for if you're using a presentation, so you won't really need that one for today. If you happen to delete this background here, your options are you can go to undo at the top left, or if you forget that and it's not working well, you can click on the tab at the top right here. This is expand frame bar, and there are a couple extra pages for you that you could use instead, just as backup. Okay, I hope this was helpful, and good luck on your assignment today.